Live from Asheville, the city of 5,000 bombs. Here we are in the Wendy's. We just ordered 50 chicken nuggets. Oh my gosh, there it is. It has its own house, that's the best part.
Oh my gosh. Where are all our sauces?
Oh my gosh. I almost just started crying.
Oh my
gosh. This is crazy. Do you see all these chicken nuggets? Wow.
I cannot believe this. Oh my.
Sounds like Annabelle.
Oh, we failed the nugget challenge. I only had 5. I only ate 7. I had 7. Nikki ate 12.
I had 12.
1. He had 2, and Kyle had 4. Therefore, we have 13 nuggets left.
Hey, Kyle.
Kyle!
Can't get enough, guys.
I'm trying to smell it.
Sorry.
Let me have a hit.
Oh no!
Let me have a hit of it.
The title of this video could be "Got high at Wendy's, now clickbait." Emotional. Oh my god.
in?
Yeah, I tried.
Oh my gosh, look at this truck. It's a freaking oatmeal cream pie truck. Ah!
We should drop it. Oh, AJ is gone. He is there. He is
There he is.
He is committed. Everybody to the Macarena. Na 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 na. I like scrambled eggs and my name is Sergeant Pepper. Na 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 na.
Vlog, do it for the vlog.
You ready?
Hey.
There will be absolutely no bumping, swerving, or
What was that?
I don't know. I'm sorry.
So
I'm gonna do a slow fade.
What do you have to say about bowling?
I love these balls.
What about the pins? Don't discriminate the pins.
Is this on camera?
Sir! You can't run away from the vlog!
Shields down. You will once again be able to fire your phaser and be tagged by opposing players. When you are issuing your backstop, slip it over your head, making sure that the phaser and phaser cord are in front. Next.
Okay, I just ordered this mud shake. It's chocolate with chocolate and some gummy worms and
Describe the flavor
this.
profile.
So, alright, we're in the kitchen cooking Brenner. Let's look at Chris's outfit. He is fit, ready. You want to explain your outfit a little bit, Chris, to the viewers?
I'm wearing the most dad outfit I can. I'm wearing a dad shirt underneath. One of a kind, awesome dad.
Okay.
And
okay.
My apron, custom fitted for me.
Yeah, I mean, look at that, fellas. I mean, look at this fit he's got.
Oh yeah.
Okay. All right, here we are making lunch.
I love spinach. Hand it to me.
You said pan it to me. All right, here we are in DuPont National Forest.
Hooker Falls.
We're going to Hooker Falls. Mason, how do you feel? Fun. Okay, guys, so here I am on my hike. I am looking for some wild creatures. Does anyone see it? Oh my God, it's Bigfoot!
Roar. Do the roar.
Do the roar! Here goes nothing, folks. Here we go. Yeah!
I missed it.
It was great. 100% bougie. Yeah! Wow, you got 3! Guys, we kind of coordinate.
He's doing it with portrait. Wow.
Really cool.
We're gonna put your lost on the bar stretch. Wow.
Oh.
Wow.
And then you got it forward. Good job, Mason. Looking great.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Amber. We're at the waterfall. Hey, I don't remember this, guys. It's Amber.
I'm gonna give you just a sound bite. It's like 5 seconds you can splice in. Okay, I'm gonna give you 5 different ones.
Okay.
Yee doggy. Look at that tree. This ground is rocky. Look at the sky. The trees are towering over us. You can use this as transitions. Impressed. Look at that tree.
We're spitting into the river. Is this what y'all do for fun in West Virginia?
Yeah.
It was so
Except
quick of an
honestly,
answer.
yeah.
She was like,
It's
yeah.
easier when you don't have teeth, like most West Virginians.
Hello.
Yee doggy.
Downtown Asheville.
Yeah. Downtown.
Downtown.
Oh, guess what just happened?
What just happened?
Isaac, would you care to explain?
Oh, yes, for the vlog, tell the people what just happened.
For the cars going into the parking garage, I got hit in the head by it.
I
So
literally
that
almost
was fun.
vomited. It was the funniest thing I've literally ever seen. Okay, so we're at Marble Slab Creamery. They got the $10 milkshakes. Wow. What did you say earlier, Madeline? We're bougie.
I love this more than I love Devin Booker.
She loves Devin Booker a lot. Like, this is crazy. We're having a great time.
Is that yours or hers or mine? I got mine too.
Choking.
Did you get that?
You're on dinner with me.
Oh, yeah.
What?
You're on dinner with me.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Cool.
Oh, Mason. There's some hair on it. Ew, it's so gross.
Alright. Pick it up. Pick it up.
Oh yeah, we're smacking tonight, fellas. Oh my god. Mason, you want to tell us what's happening right now?
I don't even know. When I'm retired, I'm buying this.
You need it right now.
How much
in
is
that
it?
print.
You need it in 50 years. Everyone Venmo me $5 and I will wear this all day.
And then never again.
Like
Look like a bee.
We have come to a place in Asheville called Lexington Glassworks. We are gonna watch this guy blow glass. We hate capitalism! Capitalism can die! Yeah! I know! We're not from here! We have to get here somehow! We're from Kentucky! Sorry, we don't bring our horses out of state!
I freaking love this.
We're part of the problem, he's.
Please turn green.
It's just such a good day.
Was our day good?
It was just golden.
Ah, thank you. Anyone want to say anything about our week?
It's been wild.
Excellent.
I loved it. How many times did we puke, do you think?
I think
Probably
like 50.
like 5,000.
5,000
5,000,
bombs.
yeah, definitely.
That's how we should start measuring time. Like,
How many times did you vomit?
or like a measure of like
I can feel the
goodness,
vomit
like
in my throat.
how much did you vom? On a scale of like 1 to 5,000, was it a good time or a bad time?
5,000.
5,000 means it was great. So,
Yeah.
we are live from Asheville, the city of 5,000 bombs. It's good. 5,001. Thank you guys.